This up, fellow people of Plaridel. Here we are again to interview some teachers here in St. Jude College of Bulacan. We are here at the intensive training being conducted by the STO of Bulacan. So, what are we waiting for? Let's go!
Mas mamamaster ng mga students yung lessons nila and the things that they really need when they grow up, or the things that they really need to learn for their future.
So sa implementation po na matatag sa inyo is na umanti po ba yung mga subjects or di ba?
Hindi siya basically umonti yung subjects, but the lessons na required na i-cover for the whole school year, yun yung sabihin na natin, hindi totally kumote, pero yung nabigay yung kano'y dapat mas fokusan.
So sinasabi niya po na in-erase po nila yung mga dapat hindi na po pag-focusan na lessons at pinalitan po nila yun ng mas mga valuable lessons para
Yes. Mas nakapag-focus sa mga lessons na the students really need to learn. Kasi in the past few, hindi naman nasabi yung pangit pero mapapansin na marami masyadong ibinibigay na lessons sa mga estudyante wherein bombarded sila with the lessons, and then immediately